Hello, and welcome to the Procell booth at the FASTENAL trade show. We're really excited you came by. We're happy to answer any questions you may have. We're particularly excited about all the new innovations and products that we have. Please feel free to take any samples, any content, anything you may need to help you with your customers. Have a great show.
Let's take a look at a short film that explains the Procell difference in some detail.
Replacing batteries of professional devices is just a cost center. You pay to reorder batteries, and then you pay even more for the labor to replace them. At Procell, we don't agree with that financial model. In fact, we have turned battery replacement from a cost center into a cost saver. By conducting intensive device testing and analysis in our labs, Procell has discovered that a way to dramatically extend battery life and cut replacement costs is to engineer device-specific industrial batteries, each with unique power profiles. Introducing the new Procell, the world's first dual portfolio of industrial batteries. 1. A new intense power range battery engineered to deliver precise pulses of energy while lasting longer in high-drain professional devices. The other, a superior general-purpose battery, completely redesigned for longer-lasting, consistent performance. You select the right battery to match the power needs of any commercial device, making all your batteries last longer so you replace less often. And forever change industrial battery replacement from a cost center into a cost saver. New Procell. Power your profitability.
As we know, there are lots of battery-operated devices in every industry. Some are high drain, some are low drain. But how do you, the customer, differentiate between them? So glad you asked. Fortunately, Procell has the interactive business sector map. So for instance, simply click on one of those. So today, let's say we go with manufacturing. So if I click on production line after that, we can see all of the different devices that are there. So first of all, we have low to medium drain. That can be identified by the white battery icons. These devices take the Procell general purpose. So we've got multimeters, smoke detectors, air quality testers, just to give you a few examples. In the same list, there are also high drain devices, such as paper towel dispensers or hand sanitizers. You can recognize the high drain devices by the red battery icons. These devices run on Procell Intense Power. Visit the Procell website to try the map out yourself, where you can explore any of the business sectors. And now for something I know you're really going to appreciate. Please welcome to the studio Senior Sales Manager North America, Alex Kalinsky. He's going to show how you can calculate the estimated savings when switching to Procell using their innovative cost savings calculator tool. Hey Alex, how are you doing?
Hey Mike, doing well. How about you?
Very well, thank you, very well.
So what do you want to start with today?
We were talking about Procell difference. And I understand you have something called this Procell Virtual World, which might be able to visualize a lot of the concepts we've been discussing.
Let's go ahead and enter a hotel room. And as you can see, we see the entire room all at once. We see all of the battery-operated devices. It's actually very clever. But let's jump right into the cost savings calculator part of it. So once we get into that tool, again, we have our industries. So in this case, hospitality. I'll select hospitality. And then we pick the hotel room that we were just in. How big of a hotel room do you think we should do, Mike?
Why don't we do a medium-sized hotel, somewhere around 250 rooms.
Perfect. So I select 250 rooms and go to the next page. And what we find here is the typical battery-operated devices that we find in hotels. All the values are pre-populated based on the number of rooms we selected. And when we get to the bottom of the page, we simply calculate. And what we find in this example is over $16,000 in savings in this one hotel. If we look at the details, we show savings in batteries used, labor cost, and battery cost. But what's really great about the cost calculator is that it's extremely flexible. So based on what the customer has in terms of their usage cycles, their wages, their time to change out a battery, we can change all of those within the cost calculator and bring new results to the customer.
That is very impressive. Alex, thank you so very much.
You're very welcome, Mike. We're always happy to show the Procell difference.
And now here are some final words from our General Manager for Professional Americas, Shep Garish.
Thank you for visiting us at the FASTENAL show. We appreciate your time and look forward to serving you and your customer with world-class professional power solutions that drive productivity and sustainability.